5 years from now, you'll either be living the life you actually want, or you'll still be watching videos about how to change your life. And it all comes down to one stupid decision that takes exactly zero talent, zero money, and zero special skills. But 95% of people refuse to do it. Right now, while you're watching this, someone your age just woke up at 5 a.m. And while you're still in bed scrolling through your phone, they're already winning the day. Here's what nobody tells you. That first hour when you wake up, your brain is literally on steroids. Scientists call it peak cognitive performance. But most people waste it arguing with strangers on the internet or watching TikToks of people dancing with their breakfast. You know those people who seem to have their life together? The ones who somehow always get promoted, always look put together, always seem one step ahead? They're not smarter than you. They're not luckier. They just figured out the cheat code. They claim their brain before the world steals it. Because here's what's really happening. Every morning, there's a 90-minute window where your brain is basically a supercomputer. But instead of using it, you're probably doing what I used to do. Hit snooze 5 times. Then immediately grab your phone and let random strangers control your thoughts for the next hour. When you first wake up, your brain dumps a cocktail of chemicals that make you focused, creative, and unstoppable. It's like having superpowers for 90 minutes. But here's the crazy part. Whatever you do in that window, your brain thinks is the most important thing in your life. Scroll Instagram? Your brain thinks drama is your priority. Plan your day and learn something? Your brain thinks success is your priority. You're literally programming yourself every single morning, and most people are programming themselves for mediocrity. So here's the routine that'll make your future self want to time travel back and high-five you. 5 a.m. Wake up. Yeah, I said it. Fight me in the comments. Step 1. Drink water like your life depends on it. Your brain's been offline for 8 hours. Step 2. Move your body. 10 jumping jacks, a walk around the block. Just wake up your muscles. Step 3. Write down one thing you want to accomplish today. Not 10 things, one. Step 4. Learn something for 15 minutes. Read, watch something educational, listen to a podcast that doesn't involve conspiracy theories about lizard people. Step 5. Protect this hour like it's gold. No phone, no texts, no quick check of anything. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a morning person. Newsflash, nobody is. Morning people aren't born, they're made. And they're made by people who decided their dreams matter more than their comfort. You want to know the real difference between successful people and everyone else? Successful people do what they don't feel like doing. Everyone else does what feels good in the moment. That snooze button, it's not giving you 9 more minutes of sleep. It's stealing 9 minutes from your future. 1 hour a day equals 365 hours a year, equals 1,825 hours over 5 years. That's like getting an extra 76 full days to build your life while everyone else is still trying to figure out what to wear. Think about where you were 5 years ago. Now imagine if you had 76 extra days to work on yourself. Where would you be right now? So here's your choice. You can keep doing what you're doing and wonder why nothing changes, or you can set that alarm for 5 a.m. tomorrow and start building the life you keep talking about. But here's the thing, you won't feel different tomorrow or next week. This isn't magic. But in 90 days, you'll look in the mirror and think, holy crap, when did I become this person? So drop a 5 a.m. in the comments if you're actually going to do this. Not if you're thinking about it, not if you might try it, if you're setting that alarm tonight. And to everyone who's about to comment, I'll try, save your energy. Trying is just failing with good intentions. The choice is yours. But remember, 5 years from now is coming whether you wake up early or not. The question is, will you be ready for it?